So today, as you probably know, if you've been following my stuff for the last week, is that our WEBS product has been available for purchase. WEBS stands for Wholesale E-Commerce Business Systems, and it is literally a copy of the 65 or 16, I think there's 69 of them now, standard operating procedures that my team and I have spent the last 20 months developing. And it's because of those systems that in 20 months, we've gone from zero to over $250,000 a month in sales, to being able to build the staff that we have, to turn the business into completely passive income for me, because as I mentioned a couple of videos ago, I don't even really work there anymore. And I now get the opportunity to spend all of my time just working on that business and some other related businesses, while my staff and our virtual assistants rely heavily on these standard operating procedures to make the machine run and grow every single day. So if you haven't purchased WEBS and you're kind of on the fence and you're thinking, well, maybe it is, maybe it isn't right for me. Obviously, without knowing you, I can't tell you if it's right for you, but what I can tell you is what it will do for you. Now, first of all, if you want to go find out more about it, just go to brightideas.co/webs. That'll take you to the sales page. You can watch a video, you can read testimonials, you can see the prices, you can see what's included. But here's the thing that I want you to understand. The reason that I was able to go from zero to $100,000 a month in just 5 months was because we did one thing really well. We sourced products really well. And I have people in my mastermind group, and we have people in the paid mastermind and in the free groups, and I get messages from people all the time about sourcing products. And the secret is this: send a truckload of emails every week, week in, week out, without fail. We send 300 emails a week. That means that we have identified 300 new products every single week. Week after week after week after week after week, that meet our criteria. And if we could source 100% of those products, holy crap, we would blow the lights out. Probably wouldn't have enough money to buy them all, but that's not the point, because you're never going to be able to source them all. Out of those 300, we might get an account, sometimes 2 accounts in a week. So that means in a month, I'm sending 1,200 emails, hoping to get 4 to 6 accounts. So if you're only sending 50 emails a month or 20 emails a week, achieving success is going to take you forever, because this is a massive numbers game. And if you've taken training from the folks over at the Wholesale Formula, which provide a fantastic training platform, you know what to do, but now you need to be able to put yourself in a position to do a lot of it. In our case, 300 emails a week. And depending upon where you are in your business, you might already be thinking, oh my gosh, that's a lot of work to be able to send 300 emails a week. And you're right, it is a lot of work. We have, I believe, 4 of our VAs, 4 of them, 3.5 for sure, full time, just so that we can send that many emails per week. Now, we're growing like crazy and we're making money like crazy and the cash flow's coming in, so it's great. But if we didn't have all those emails going out, none of the other good stuff would have been happening. So you have a choice. You can attempt to recreate all of those product sourcing systems, and all the power to you if you can, but it might take you a little while. On the other hand, you can simply go buy a copy of WEBS, and not only do you get all of the product sourcing, but you get stuff to do with purchasing and how we mitigate our risk of making mistakes through our purchasing checklist, which I think is like 34 steps long. We have procedures for inventory management. We have procedures for managing sponsored product campaigns. We have procedures for Amazon-specific tasks that you need to do. We have procedures for listing optimization. We have procedures for shipping and reconciliation. We have procedures for human resources. We have procedures for financial management. You get the idea. In a multi-million-dollar a year business, there's a lot of stuff that my team has to do every single week and every single month. And in WEBS, you get all of the standard operating procedures that you need to do all that stuff. Now, do you need all that right away? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I don't know where your business is at, but I know what you all need. I know you all need more cash flow. And the key to more cash flow is sourcing more products. And there's only one way to be able to do that, and that is send more emails and analyze more products. And that is a very laborious process that WEBS will allow you to turn into a plug and play system. You literally will be able to access those procedures, hire some VAs, and simply say to the VA, do this procedure, do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again. And if you think that sounds too easy, go watch some of the testimonials on the sales page, and you'll see that that is exactly what people who have purchased WEBS have been able to do. So sales pitch over. Maybe it's right for you, maybe it's not. That's up to you to decide. But I can promise you this, if you decide to invest in WEBS and make use of the standard operating procedures that are in it, and you hire VAs to do the work for you, you will achieve success faster than you can possibly imagine. It's all up to you. So thanks very much for tuning in. Again, go to breadideas.co/webs to learn more about that product. If you'd like me to answer a question for you in a future video, go to breadideas.co/asktrent. And if you want to receive email notifications of future Daily Nugget videos, of future podcast episodes, and whatever else we might want to talk about to help you to succeed, become a subscriber at breadideas.co. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for tuning in.